What's up, TaouyRev crew? Get ready because today we're diving into something that could completely redefine the electric vehicle game. Imagine a car that's not just affordable, but packed with next-generation tech that we've only seen in concept cars. I'm talking about a vehicle that's got a battery that's safer and better in the cold, and an infotainment system that's smarter than a supercomputer. If you're an EV enthusiast, you know that the holy grail has always been the solid-state battery, the ultimate in safety, range, and efficiency. But what if I told you that the new MG4 is bringing a version of that technology to the mass market right now? This isn't just an update, it's a revolution in a compact hatchback. SAIC Motor has officially opened pre-sales for the all-new MG4 in China, and the specs are turning heads everywhere. The new model comes with a completely redesigned look, a larger footprint, and an aggressive new stance that's a huge step up from the previous generation. Let's get right to the pricing because it's unbelievable. The base model, which offers a 437-kilometer range, starts at just 73,800 yuan. That's roughly $10,100 US. For a fully electric car with this kind of technology, that price is simply staggering. Even the top-tier Smart version, which boasts an impressive 530-kilometer range, comes in at about $14,400. Now for the biggest story here, the battery. The new MG4 is notable for being among the very first production vehicles globally to offer a semi-solid-state battery at this scale. For those who don't know, a traditional lithium-ion battery has a liquid electrolyte, which can be a fire risk under extreme stress. Solid-state batteries use a solid electrolyte, which is safer and more energy-dense. This new MG4 features a semi-solid-state battery, a hybrid solution that uses a gel-like electrolyte. SAIC has confirmed that this new pack passed a terrifying 3-direction needle penetration test without any smoke, proving its incredible safety. This battery, which was reportedly developed by Qingdao Energy, is also designed to be a beast in cold weather, where traditional batteries lose a significant chunk of their range. This is a massive step forward for affordable EV technology, and the company has invested over $68 million just into the materials to make this a reality.
Stepping inside, you'll immediately see the upgrade. The new MG4 features a huge, floating 15.6-inch touchscreen with a crystal-clear 2.5K resolution. This is powered by Qualcomm's high-performance Snapdragon 8155 chip, the same chip you'd find in top-tier EVs from much more expensive brands. But the real magic lies in the MG x Oppo Smart Mobility System. This system isn't just for Oppo phones. It's a universal ecosystem that allows for seamless integration with Android, Apple, Huawei, and Xiaomi devices. You can use your phone as a digital key, mirror apps, and even unlock remote parking features through future over-the-air updates. It's a level of smart connectivity that's a direct challenge to its competition.
The MG4 is no slouch when it comes to performance. The new model is equipped with a permanent magnet synchronous motor, delivering 120 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque, all of which gets you to a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour. You'll have a choice between 2 LFP battery options with ranges of either 437 or 530 kilometers. And when you need to recharge, it can go from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes, which is seriously fast for a car in this segment. The car's heat pump-based thermal management system is also a game changer, ensuring the battery holds up to 75% of its range even after preheating and temperatures as low as -7 degrees Celsius.
A design and safety revolution. MG has also completely revamped the car's structure and design. The new MG4 is larger than its predecessor with a longer wheelbase for a more spacious interior. The design team has given it a sculpted, dynamic look, with a sleek new LED backlit MG logo and futuristic arrow-shaped taillights. This isn't just about aesthetics. The car uses a cell-to-body battery integration technology that boosts torsional stiffness to a claimed 31,000 Newton meters per degree, putting it on par with some luxury SUVs. Inside, the cabin is a lesson in smart design. With EU REACH-compliant synthetic leather upholstery, 30 different storage compartments, and front seats that offer both heating and ventilation, it feels far more premium than its price. Plus, the new 360-degree cameras and advanced driver assistance features with L2 Plus capabilities, including a highway navigate on autopilot function, make it one of the safest and most convenient cars in its class.
So why does this all matter? Because the new MG4 is a direct and serious threat to its key competitors, like the BYD Dolphin and the Volkswagen ID.3, especially in the Chinese market. It's bigger, faster, and now offers next-level technology like the semi-solid-state battery at a price point that other brands simply can't match. This isn't just about winning a sales race, it's about making groundbreaking EV tech accessible to the masses. What do you all think of the new MG4? Is this the car that will finally dominate the compact EV segment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as excited about this as I am, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next TaouyRev video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.